Namaste from this side to that. I'm sure you are familiar with the color theory that warm colors like red and yellow can ignite feelings of passion and energy, while cool colors like blue and green offer a calming touch. But today, we are upping the game, and in this video, I'll share 10 quick tips that you can apply right away in your designs, turning your designs into powerful storytellers. Tip number 1. Do you want a button to pop? Use a complementary color. Complementary colors are vibrant opposites. It's like adding a spotlight to your design, drawing attention right where you want it. Simple, effective, and impactful. Tip number 2 is for the ones who need a calming backdrop. Try analogous colors. Analogous colors are harmonious neighbors. They provide a natural and soothing palette, ensuring that the visual compositions exude calmness and balance. Analogous reds and oranges infuse warmth and energy into your designs, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. It's ideal for projects related to the environment. Tip number 3. Warm colors advance, cool colors recede. Warm hues take the stage, commanding attention and injecting vibrancy. Meanwhile, cool tones gracefully recede, creating an illusion of depth and tranquility. Picture a dance where the fiery reds step forward, drawing eyes, while serene blues elegantly step back, setting the backdrop. Use this to guide attention and create depth. Tip number 4. Monochromatic magic. Stick to one color but vary the shades for a sophisticated, harmonious look. Craft with intention and let your palette tell a story. Like if you are yearning for mystery, venture into the depths of monochromatic blues. Monochromatic blues create a mysterious and calming ambience, perfect for storytelling. Tip number 5. Craving sophistication. Opt for a triadic palette. Triadic colors refer to 3 colors which are evenly spaced on color wheel. A triadic palette creates a harmonious yet dynamic look. It brings vibrancy while maintaining visual balance. Tip number 6. If you are yearning for contrast, dive into split complementary magic. Split complementary colors include a complementary color and 2 colors adjacent to it on either side on color wheel. They provide contrast while maintaining a balanced and visually pleasing composition. Tip number 7. Do you want to create drama? Introduce a bold accent color. A pop of color adds excitement. and draws attention to specific elements. Tip number 8. Need a futuristic vibe? Indulge in the sleekness of black, white, and neons. The contrast of black and white with neon accents create a futuristic and edgy aesthetic. Tip number 9. Crafting for elegance. Employ the subtlety of pastel monochromes. Pastel monochromes exude elegance and sophistication while maintaining a soft and approachable feel. Tip number 10. Desiring harmony. Blend tints and shades in a gradient wonderland. Tints are lighter variations of a color, while shades are darker. The subtlety of the gradient ensures a gentle flow, eliminating harsh contrasts and fostering a sense of unity. Colors are not just elements, they are storytellers, emotion evokers, and catalysts for creativity. And there you have it, 10 color tips to turn your designs into a visual symphony. Experiment, combine, and let your creativity run wild with these fresh ideas. Hope these tips spark new dimensions in your color palette adventures. Until next time, keep crafting with color confidence. Hasta la vista, cheerum.